Hi, well, the quality Swiss watches here. We're just going to take a quick look at the red and black face Tag Heuer Formula 1. As with these and all of this model, it's a non-rotating bezel. Check the stopwatch on this. Thousandths of a second there, minutes there, seconds here. To stop it, to restart it, to stop it, and to reset it. Okay, so the crown's already screwed out, and it's a right rotating for on the second click for the date, and the hands on the third click. Really good lume on these, but it's not dark enough really to show you. Of course, these originals should have the crystal sapphire, and with a diamond tester it will show as diamond hardness. We'll click back in, the normal seconds go here. Many are fooled because this traditionally is the seconds hand, but it's a stopwatch in these Tag Heuers. And to reseal for the depth of 200 meters water resistance, you simply push and screw at the same time until tight on the crown. So these are brand new customer cancellations with Tag Heuer warranty remaining, and you get a fresh 2-year seller warranty over the top on these. And as you can see, absolutely pristine. I've loosened off the back and taken the strap apart to show you the movement inside here. So it is the gold plated Ronda 5040.D movement, and 13 joules Swiss R9 with the Swiss battery, which is good to go for a good 2 years. There you go, guys. Thanks for watching, and again, excuse the pun. I'm just showing you close detail live what we have. Let's focus in on the 12 as close as we can.